how to enable or disable sound notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Now in here, tap on hearing enhancements. Then tap on sound notifications. From here, tap on sound notifications, so open sound notifications. And at the top here, tap on the on or off toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Once you turn on, tap on the below list items. And here you can choose which sounds to receive notifications. So in here, we've got emergency, priority, appliances, and other. So you can just tap on each of the items to turn it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.